For 2301, one of the things that we did was enhance the mesh on mesh command to be able to automatically resize line elements that are connected to shell elements. So I'm just going to change my method here to type, and I'm just going to choose my shell elements. Just going to say OK. And because we're doing a mesh on mesh, all the properties will stay the same. So let's say we wanted to refine the mesh, this whole mesh. We're just going to do divide by 2 here. Just going to say OK. And you're going to see I'm going to get a much finer mesh. But again, all my properties will be the same as they were with the original elements. And if I zoom in here, you can see that my line elements have also been updated. I'm just going to undo twice, and let's say we wanted to make your mesh a little coarser. What we can do instead is we can use mesh on mesh. Again, we can choose, just type, and it's going to choose all the shell elements in our model. And I'm just going to put in a value of 150 here. And again, everything is just going to be taken into account. And now you can see that our mesh has been made coarser instead of refined.